Assalamu alaikum and welcome. If the Quran is for all of humanity, why wasn't it revealed in a language everyone understands? Why Arabic? And what does that actually mean for us today? By the end of this video, you'll understand not only why the Quran is in Arabic, but what that means for your own connection with it. The Quran was revealed in Arabic because it was first sent to a specific people, the Arabs at the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. They spoke Arabic. They understood it deeply, and it was the clearest way for the message to reach them. But that's only part of the answer, because the language of the Quran is not just a detail, it is part of the revelation itself. Arabic is a language of depth and precision. A single word can carry multiple layers of meaning. A short verse can communicate something powerful, both linguistically and spiritually. And this is important, because the Quran is not only about information, it is about how that message is delivered. And this is where it becomes deeper than most people think. The Quran is meant to be recited, not just read. Its sound, rhythm, and structure are part of its impact. When we hear it, even without fully understanding Arabic, we often feel something. And this is something many of us have experienced. We may not understand every word, but when we hear the Quran, it affects us. It brings calm. It brings focus. It reminds us of Allah. But this raises an important question. Does this mean the Quran is only for those who understand Arabic? No. The message of the Quran is for all people. That's why translations exist, so we can understand its meanings in our own languages. But here is where many people misunderstand something important. The Quran is not just its meaning. It is the exact words of Allah in Arabic. A translation helps us understand, but it is not the Quran itself. And this difference changes everything. Because when we read a translation, we are learning the meaning. But when we recite the Quran in Arabic, we are engaging with the original revelation. And this is why both matter. We learn the meaning in our language, and we connect to the Quran through its original words. And this is where it becomes practical for us. We don't need to understand everything immediately. We don't need to be fluent in Arabic, but step by step, we begin. Even learning a few words can change how we experience the Quran. Even recognizing a verse in prayer can make it feel more real. And over time, that connection grows. So the Quran being in Arabic is not a barrier, it is an invitation. An invitation to go deeper, to engage more closely, and to connect with the words of Allah as they were revealed. At the center of it all is one belief. We believe the Quran is revelation from Allah. And because of that, its language is not random. It is precise, meaningful, and chosen with wisdom. But this is only the beginning, because to truly understand the Quran, we need to go even deeper. If you want to truly understand the Quran, subscribe to the channel. We're going step by step, from how it was revealed to how to read and understand it properly, and the key verses every Muslim should know. And if you want deeper content and extra insights, join our Telegram, link in the description. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.